A week ago I bought the CNC from eBay and today it finally arrived. This video will basically be a quick overview from how I set it up to make my first part with it. The model I bought is called 3040T and I got the 4-axis one. I will put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. I kind of expected the 4th axis to be a little bit bigger than this, but I guess this will work just fine for a small project I have for it. There was no instruction included whatsoever, but the mounting of the motors was really straightforward, since they all had the same numbers on them, so I guess you can't put them all wrong. For the CAD program, I downloaded Inkscape, which is free. There are many good tutorials on YouTube for this program if you want to learn it. Here I just setting the size for the plywood board I have. Then in the extension menu you can find the gear making program. Note that I'm completely new to this. I have never touched a CNC before. I spent a few hours on YouTube to get the hang of the basics. Then I'm saving it as an SVG file and moving over to MakerCam, which basically translates the drawing to a code the CNC understands. Here I set in the drill to 3mm. And the plywood board is 6mm, so I'm setting it to 7 to be sure it's cutting through. I'm not going to touch any other settings since I have no clue which is the best, so default setting it is. Calculate all, and then it's time to export to G-code. And the last step is to import the G-code to the CNC software. The program I'm using is the one I got on the CD that came with the CNC. Then I'm manually setting it to its starting point. And after that, I set position to 0, press play, and let the magic happen. So in conclusion, I would like to say that I really like this machine so far. I gave around $700 for it, and for that price it really gave me more than I thought it would. And with that said, have a nice day.